Hey everyone, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to the Zaini'S kitchen. Hope you all are doing well. In today's video, I'm going to be making meatball with eggs. It's not that simple, but it's delicious. Okay, first we're going to be preparing mince into meatball. For that, we need mince. I have my mince already here, 200 gram, and onion. I chop onion and I put some salt and I leave it for 10 minutes so that it can soften, because I have to remove the onion juice. Okay, so now it's after 10 minutes. I'm going to put in the clean cloth and squeeze the onion juice out. This is the best trick, guys, if you want to prepare any dish that need onion but not excess juice or liquid. You have to cut your onion and put some salt. Leave it for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, you will see your onion is going to be soft and easily you can remove all the juice that is on the onion. As you can see, guys, the onion is nicely dry. There's no so much juice. Now we're going to throw this in the mince. Okay, this is a dhania powder, about half teaspoon. Jeera powder, about half teaspoon. Some salt. This is a garlic powder, about 1 teaspoon. Some fresh coriander. Then we're going to mix it together. Add 1 egg and continue mixing until everything is well cooperated. Now that we're done mixing, we're going to cover and let it marinate for 10 minutes. It's after 10 minutes now. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna shape my mince into small balls. And yes, you have to be small balls, because if it's too big, when you fry, it won't be able to cook through. Okay, done with making balls. Now we're going to fry. And be careful with your oil. It must not be too hot, otherwise it will just burn outside and inside it will remain raw.
Lions roaring in the morning sun, searching for a longer day. People feeling like the light has just come. We must never stop the way.
Okay, now we're going to fry until your meatball is light golden both sides.
We will always take a stand for the people, for the land. Let's go back to when we were young. For the animals we stand. Let's go back to when trees were so.
As you can see, the meatball is nicely brown, and now I'm going to remove from oil and set aside for later. Now I'm going to be boiling my eggs. If you put in cold water, it will take 8 to 9 minutes. But if you put in hot water, it will just take 6 minutes. Okay. So now my eggs is done. I'm going to just remove it from the heat and set aside for later. Now bring a pot and add some oil. I'm going to add onion and fry for 2 to 3 minutes. The onion is starting getting brown. Now I'm going to add my ginger garlic paste and fry together until it's light golden. The onion and ginger garlic paste is nice brown. Now I'm going to add my tomato and spices. We have to cook the tomato until it's soft. If you think the pot is burning and the tomato is still hard, you must add some water and continue cooking until the tomato is soft. As you can see, it's soft now. I'm going to off the flame and let it cool completely, and then I'm going to blend it into the paste. I'm going to add some water also to easier blending process. Once you're done, we're going to add this mixture into the pot. I'm going to add 1 glass water and cover my pot and wait to boil. Okay, now that my pot is boiling, I'm going to add the meatballs, and then I'm going to just mix it, slow the flame, and cook for 10 minutes. Okay, now it's after 10 minutes in low flame. Now I'm going to add my eggs, fresh coriander, and make it more slow Let it simmer for 5 minutes. It's after another 5 minutes. Our meatball with eggs is done. Look how beautiful is that, guys. If you did like this video, don't forget to give me a nice thumbs up, share with family and friends, and comment down below and share your idea with me. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video.